is 6:10. Sydney summer in the new year. And today I thought I'll go somewhere that I haven't been. It's a bay run. I'll just go there, and what's going to be really fun is I'll be catching up with somebody who I haven't seen in a very long time. Anyway, come along and join me. It should be fun. I like it. See that sun? It's a brand new day, unfluffed. So now we can go out and mess it up. I hope you get to have an awesome 2023 and you start out and explore something new maybe. Go for a walk in an area you haven't been in before. Maybe visit some friends or family that you haven't seen. You know how that it turns into catch up soon and it ends up being a few years? That. These ones look new. They haven't been dumped in a river like Aussies like to do with the bikes around the city. I have no idea why I'm laughing at that. Maybe in another video that we're doing that next time. That quiet again. Hello. Look at you. I'm not gonna leave you alone, eh?
Oh mate, you've found the right pup. She will not stop leaving you alone. Do it. Yeah, absolutely.
First.
Oh hey, all right, you're gonna love this.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it.
Oh wow. This is really beautiful.
Check it out. So this is the bay road. So it's so pretty cool. So I just love this run. It's like all these little boat harbors and stuff. And where we're allowed to walk around the side, it's a total harbour.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, right one.
They get stuck.
Have to get a dinghy.
Look at you. Oh my gosh. Look at that tail wag. This is so good.
was the launch.
Oh, that's actually the
Rainbow
plot.
Serpent.
Hello. Hello.
Was she smiling at you again?
Yes.
Yep. Rainbow Serpent.
There we go. Aww.
Pretty cool, huh?
So pretty.
So glad you like this trail, by the way. Cat, look, you got your favourite Becky. You got your favourite Becky. Huh? Food monkey? Huh? Get amongst it. She goes nuts for these.
What are
Absolutely loves them. They're little, like little Oreo looking Bickies. Huh? Hey, Cass. So nice, isn't it? It's like everywhere around here is like, it's like a house tour. It's pretty amazing view, isn't it?
Australian flag on top?
Yeah, hell of a view, isn't it?